Hi guys, I'm here for another interesting video for you guys. Okay, so you know that in this photography business, for you to have a successful business photography career, there's some things that you must do. There's something that you have to put in place. It is a must, not that I will. It is a must that you must know these things and put them into practice. Okay, for you to have a successful photography business career. So this video, I'm going to list out things that you must know. It's a matter of things that you must do. So this video is just like a video that you need to watch from the first one to the last one, because they work hand in hand, so that you will get the full details of how all of them work. So watch this video from beginning to the end, and please, if this is your first time coming to my channel, subscribe and click on notification. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for what you've been doing. You've been so supportive of this channel. Okay, let's dive into the business of the day. The first thing which I really want you to do, guys, please, if you are starting out your photography career, I want you to invest in mentorship. Investing in mentorship is something that you must do. It is not a matter of I will or I see. You must do it if you really want to succeed in your photography business career. See, mentorship is something that it does not necessarily mean that you will see them physically. You must see them face to face. No, mentorship. I have mentors that whenever I call, I've not seen them, but whenever I call, they answer me at any time in the day. Okay, I also have mentors in the technical skill of this photography. I also have mentors in the business skill of this photography. So even if it will require you for you to get those mentors, pay the money and get them, because they are very vital in this business of photography. In short, not only in photography, but to every other sector, to every other careers. Okay, mentorship is something that you must have if you want to make success in these photography careers, because they will be the one to direct you, to guide you, to advise you on what to do and what not to do. They've been there before you, and they know, and they also know how it works. So try as much as possible to have a mentor that aligns with your own ideas, mentor that knows what you want to do, mentors that knows how it works. Okay, and by so doing, you will have a successful photography business career. And the second thing which I'll tell you guys is, please research and know your niche. This is very, very important. I'm sure this video is something that you cannot afford to miss the steps that I'll be giving you in this video. Second one is research and know your niche. Okay, so this is where the mentorship comes in. Understand? Just like I said, your mentorship will be the one to direct you, to advise you, and also give you a direction on what works and what do not work. So in this point, you know your niche. If you are confused of the niche in photography, there are many niches in photography, and if you do not really understand, that is where you have to call your mentor, so that he or she will also give you advices or direct you on the niche of the area that you want to go. So know your niche and also know how to do your niche very, very well. But knowing your niche is another thing. Also know how to do it well also is another thing. Is something that you must do for you to succeed in your photography career. And the next one I'm going to give you guys is technical skill. Technical skill is something that you cannot do without in this photography. And at this point, guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification, so that whenever I drop a content like this, you'll be notified about the video, because I drop weekly videos on this channel. Thank you so much. So the next thing I'll be talking about is you also know your technical skill. It is very important so far you're starting out your photography. Knowing your technical skills involve you knowing your camera, you knowing your lights, and you knowing other things, that other accessories about your niche. It is you knowing. See, technical skill is very important. Just as you know your triangular exposure, that is also how you know your technical skill works also. If you do not really know how they work, your mentor is there to direct you. That is why I made you getting mentored the very first step on this video today. So know your technical skill is very, very important. You should know how to use your camera, whether in the night, day, or in the morning, like anytime. You should know how to use the camera in the sunny weather, cloudy, or any type of weather that you come across. You know how to perfect the use of your camera very well. So also same thing to your lighting. know how to use alerts very well in any situation that you find your way. Okay guys, and the next thing, which I think it will be my last on this video, is guys, you have to know your marketing skills. Your marketing skills is just, in short, this was supposed to be my second or the third one, but after knowing this third one, this one should be the last. Okay, so that you will drive well in your business. So knowing your marketing skill is something that you cannot do without. Knowing knowing the people that you want to market your photograph to, also knowing the person that needs your photograph is very important. Knowing their market survey, you should also try to survey the marketing of your place concerning the type of photography that you are photographing. Okay, also try to know how it works, because if you do not know how the marketing of your niche or of your locality works, you just be doing business and you will look as if you are not making profit or you are not getting what you wanted to get. So knowing your marketing skills is very, very important. Just like I said at the beginning of this video, I have mentors that have assisted me on my technical skill, being my camera, my light, and other things. I also have mentors that teaches me about the marketing, which is the business of this photography. So it is very, very important for you too. That is why I've decided to share this with you, so it will be helpful for you as well, so far you're starting out your photography career. So at this point, I think this video is a help to you, might have been a help to you in one way or the other. Thank you guys, and see you in my next